Hello class 9 students, how are you? You are fine? Okay students, as you know, due to corona disease, everybody students are learning from homes and teachers are coming in the school, but you prepare the videos. Okay students, I want to talk today with you from the starting point in the class 9 books, because those students are taking the new admission, they have confused some things. So today I describe to you the unit first in computer. Your unit first is totally dependent on the basic of information technology. Your unit first is totally dependent on basic of information technology. Information technology short form is IT. Students, the first topic today is our computer system. The first topic of our today is computer system, and as you know previously from the learning in the computer history, those you know computer, when you just start, then firstly you know about the fundamentals of the computers. Like that, today I want to ask and I want to teach. I taught you the some headings, those I write here. Firstly, my question is this: computer. What is computer? So everyone students are give the answer. Computer is an electronic machine. Within a one line, students give the definition. Computer is an electronic machine. But I am asked why. Then students are say do some electronic works. I am asking who use, then your answer is user. Maximum questions answers you know, but my duty is here to explain you all things in the brief. So computer, this is correct answer. Computer is an electronic machine, either electronic device, but here is some confusion. Which type of device is known as electronic? Why the word is called electronic? You know, electronic word comes from the electricity. Those machines are run by the electricity, either you use AC and either you use DC. Anyone current you just use AC either DC, those are current. One is alternative, half cycles, and one is direct. So this one comes in cells, right rays, and this one is in pole electricity. So computer is an electronic device. What the purpose of what is the working system of computer? So working system of computer is, you just carefully see, working system of computer. Working system of computer. See everyone. First work is computer input. Suppose I am not asked a question what is computer, then how you know what I want, what I need? You not understand that? So my first question is this. Now first steps is in the computer is this: input, inputting work. Firstly we just give the inputs to the computer. Okay. After that input, the computer what work? computer do the processing. Computer do the processing. What the computers do? Processing. And after that processing, what the next is output. Is output. There are three basically terms do by the computer, and when all things is finished, then last is storage. Last is storage. Okay. So computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device which takes raw data. Here is a question. Data and information. Who are the students? Today I am writing the question here, but you after this completing the video sessions, this class, you may reply what is data and what is information. What is data? What is information? In written in the textual on my own WhatsApp number. What is data and what is information? Everyone class 9 students send this. This is compulsory because I want to know about that this question answer from your sides, because this one I am using here, but this one question I need from your sides. Okay. So students, when the topic is clear, computer, what's the computer? So computer is an electronic machine, and the works of computer is firstly take the inputs from your sides, after that with the processing system, and when the processing system is complete, then the third thing is output, and the last, when the three work 1, 2, 3, when the three work is completed, the fourth it depends of you. Suppose that inputting, it means by using the input peripherals, input devices. Anyone know the name of input devices? Standard input devices. Standard input devices are two. First, keyboard. Second, mouse. First, keyboard, and second, mouse. This is standard. You always remember. Okay. When you just give the data from keyboard and mouse peripherals to the processing system, suppose that you are opening the Word application and you need to type some letters, then this Word application is open in your OS operating system and displays where show on your output. So where you just show the display, in which peripherals? Monitor. On the monitor you just see the graphs, and when you complete the word editing, documents completion, then it's depend to you. If you need to store the future use, then you just use, either you just disclose. Okay. So students, after this completing these things, okay, so computer system is clear, computer topic is clear. So computer is an electronic device which takes raw data and perform which type of performance in processing. Which type of performance do? ALU. Which type of performance? ALU. ALU, it means arithmetic and logic unit. This is ALU, arithmetic and logic, arithmetical calculation. Which type of calculation is called arithmetical? Where you just do the addition, multiplication, subtraction, and such types of calculation is addition. And what is the logical? Logical condition are this type. Suppose when you just toss a coin, then what is the probability? 50-50%. Either head, either tail. This is logic term. So computer topic is clear. Computer is an electronic device which takes raw data and perform mathematical and logical operations with a very fast speed and also shows the processed result. कंप्यूटर क्या है? कंप्यूटर एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन है जो हमारे द्वारा दिए गए आंकड़ों पर गणनाएं करता है और उसे भविष्य के लिए सुरक्षित करके रखता है। ठीक है, इसकी कार्यप्रणाली क्या है? इसकी कार्यप्रणाली है इनपुट, प्रोसेस एंड आउटपुट। Okay, so there are two basically terms in the computer. Those I show here, but that one I explain in the next class. Computer have two hands. First hand is known as hardware hand, and second one is known as software hand. Okay, so computer hardware and software. Everyone students know those peripherals we use to assembling the computer. Either you just say in short definition you know, short, all the physical parts of computer, known as hardware. All the physical part of computer known as hardware. Examples: keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, scanner. So all the devices are computer hardware. Software is known as a program. सॉफ्टवेयर क्या होते हैं? सॉफ्टवेयर वे प्रोग्राम होते हैं जो कंप्यूटर को सुचारू रूप से चलाते रहते हैं। ओके, तो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी आर क्लियर कंसेप्ट इन द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. फर्स्ट, कंप्यूटर व्हाट, हार्डवेयर व्हाट एंड सॉफ्टवेयर व्हाट. कंप्यूटर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन, हार्डवेयर ऑल फिजिकल पार्ट्स एंड सॉफ्टवेयर इज प्रोग्राम. एंड you know very well, software have two types. Software have two types. Which type? Which type? You know? First, system software. And second, application software. First, system software and second, application software. Okay, so this is the end of this thing. Tomorrow in next class I taught you what is system software, what is application, but here you just concept clear and make your notes. Those are clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.